Hey and welcome to Of One. I have some super cool things going on next week and I really want you to be a part of it. Okay? I am going to be testing out 3 of the best strategies for binary option in a live session. I will use 20 minutes on each of them because I trade for 1 hour, and we're going to check out, and I'm going to do this for 14 days, so we really can determine which strategy is best. I'm going to keep a track on it on an Excel sheet. Can share this Excel sheet with you later, and we can see which strategy performed the best. So if you want to be a part of that, I will now very soon set up this live session for Monday, so you can go in and get a notification for it. Okay, so but also you will need to use the same broker that you see I am using here right now. You find a link below the video, and you also find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Okay, so once again, from Monday we're going to have a lot of fun trading live, testing out 3 different type of strategies. So if you want to be a part of that, and let's figure out which is better. And also through all next year, if anyone provide me a strategy, I will test it out if I see that it's even possible to win money with it. And we will determine through 2024 which strategy give us the most money, and everyone will be tested live together with me, so there are no question mark at all which is better. So if you want to be part of that, once again, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, and join this broker. You find link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.